There. I'm not using it. I'm making a video?
Yeah.
What?
Crazy kitty.
No, I don't want to be in here. So, I want to use him. He's a bad guy. I want to be on the bad guy team. I'm going to use Peyton.
I think your mom's calling me. You might have to leave.
Then she has to.
Hello?
No, I don't have to.
Yeah, they are. Okay. Uh-huh. Thanks, bye.
Who was that?
Jen. She said that she wants you home.
My grandma said I don't have to go. I just gotta keep track of time. At 5:30, have to head home. Oh, look!
Sounds
I have
good.
one too. We should head home now.
Alex. Alex. I know, buddy, but your mom wants you home, okay?
She's already not quick. Not quick, but she didn't mean
No, you got a meeting at home.
I know, it's not for me to listen to. It's just for them.
The first part.